Most people think of Snap-off knife as cheap box cutters, disposable, kinda boring, but that couldn't be further from the truth. Snap-off utility knives are one of the most underrated cutting tools out there. Hey, I'm Ilan and welcome to Segmented, the channel all about Snap-off blade utility knives. Whether you're into precision work, packaging, design, or just love great tools, this is your place. Snap-off knives, especially the 9mm 30-degree ones, offer blade tips that are finer than most craft knives. This blade, for example, is NT Cutter 380 micron thin blade, flexible and super sharp. They're perfect for control, clean cuts in paper, vinyl, phone, even thin plastics. Dull blade? No problem. Just snap off the segment and you're back to a factory sharp edge instantly. It's like carrying multiple fresh blades in one. They're slim, light, and cheap enough to replace without guilt, but many of them are built like precision tools. You'll find models made in Japan with insane build qualities. There are industrial grade version models, EDC friendly design, and even collectible knives. There are many companies out there, each brings something unique. They're not just for boxes. These knives cut cleaner and safer than you'd expect. If you use the right one. So no, Snap-off blades aren't just cheap box cutters. They're smart, versatile tools that deserve way more respect and a place in your kit. This is just the beginning. Subscribe to Segmented for reviews, comparisons, history, safety tips, and more.